Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'll show how to take a new file in Photoshop software 2021, and I have also see the use of the selection tools. I mean, whatever selection tool I will use, I'll show. At first, before I am taking the name, I'm taking this one is the redesign engineering, and I'm taking this one is the pickle. No, I'm taking it 5 inch, and this one is 7 inch. Taking the units is inch, 5 hands, and select this one, and this one is the 7, and this one is the 5. Okay, done. Then I'm going to select the file and open. I'm taking the image of this one. I'm taking, and the Sushant Singh Rajput image is taken. Then I'm going to select this one. At first, when you will see, then this tool is will be show. So you will go there and click here. You will see others tools. At first, I'm taking the Lesso tools. What is the works of the Lesso tools? I'm taking it zoom out. Okay, after pressing the at this portion, I will take. I'm selected. So after pressing the right button of mouse, I will draw it this way. Control D for this selection. Again, I'm taking up to this control minus, and for pressing the space, or I can take the hands from here, hand tools, control plus for zoom out. Then I'm taking it. I'm selecting only this is the portion is taking this way, and edit. You will see the portion, and I can select it. After that, control C, or we can go here and copy. Then I'm click here and control B, or otherwise going to the edit and paste. Up to this portion is here. Go to the move command and move it. I can move from here to here, here to here, here to here. In any site you can move it, but I don't want it, so I'll remove it. Here the layer is selected. Quick edit. So I don't want to control D, sorry, control Z, or I'm going here, control D for this selection. I'm taking the another portion is the polygonal Lesso tool. What is the work of this portion? Click here, another click, another click. Actually, this option is for rectangular or others object. So I'm going here for taking the file. Rectangular option is screenshot. Then where is the rectangular parts? I can take this one. Okay, done. Then I can take it from here. Skip select. Okay, okay, okay. To this, up to this, up to this one, this one. Then when the ending point and the initial point is at, then it will be automatically selected. After that, control C, or go to the edit and copy. Then going to the redesign engineering and paste, control B, otherwise going to the edit and paste. Then move command is taken, then you will see it. I think everybody are watching what I'm doing. So this one is very important for rectangular job. Then I'm going here again, and we can see the magical lasso tools. I'm selecting this and go to the Sushant Rajput's image, control minus, and click here, and it will be automatically selected. So this was the resolution is not the same. So I'm going to the file, open, and taking this one is there again, and I'm taking this one. It will be automatically selected this portion who is the resolution is same. Control Z, control Z, minus or backspace, backspace will go, backspace, then taking it, taking it, taking it, then click, then select it of this body, then control C, go to here, and control B, move tool, and you are watching. Control Z, I'm not taking this one, so I'm taking the new file, control new, I'm taking this one is the 5 inch, 5 inch, and this one is the 7 inch, then create. So I'm paste here, control V, you are watching this portion. I think everybody understood that the use of lasso tools, polygonal lasso tools, and magical lasso tools. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share.